So quick story. I'm a veteran. I've been all over the place, but I want to talk about the one time where I was stationed in Korea the first time at Camp Casey up by the DMV. So when I was in Camp Casey, Korea, we were recording music in our room. It was me, Win, Tay, and Hint. So all of us had some kind of musical ability. We could stay on beat. We could make songs. We could write songs. We could rap our own songs, be pretty much on beat, like Ren, Ice Cube, Yellow Boy, and whoever else was in NWA that I can't think of right now. We had our own EJAY. What I mean by that is that EJAY, he had to have his raps written for him, and in the beginning, he had to record his verses line for line for line for line. So our EJAY was king. We made him rap. We made him get on the mic because he would say the most craziest things that were like rap worthy. And what I said to him was, if you can rap somebody else's song, you can write rap. You just gotta figure out what you're gonna say instead of what they're saying. And eventually he got good at rapping. And so I say all this to say that we just practice. That's how we got better. That's how we got him to get better. That's how everything gets better, to repetition and practice.